Hello and welcome to Online Q's, your YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can reset your PoF password. Now PoF is the website known as Plenty of Fish, and the web address is pof.com on your web browser. Now you can easily reset your password from the web browser itself, but since most of people use PoF on their phone, I'm gonna show you how you can reset it from the mobile app. Now the mobile app is available for download on both Android and Apple phone, and you can easily do it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Most of its features are free. If you want to use the full feature of the website, the online dating website, you would have to be a paying customer, and only a premium account would allow you to use all of its features. Now this app is not available for every country, so if you lie in the region that doesn't have access to this app, you would not be able to download it or use it, but you can use it on the browser. So once this page loads, click on login and type in your password. Your username first and your password second, and click on login. Now if you have the incorrect username or password, this sign will appear. So click on OK, and then this means you would have to click on this link here and then enter your email address where you can where you'll be sent your reset password instructions. So click on continue. Since this is Gmail, I'm gonna open the Gmail app on my phone and go to my inbox, and then you can see the PoF reset password link is already sent. So I'm gonna click on this, and then it's gonna open up in my web browser on my phone. This is taking quite a while to load, so I'm gonna enter in a new password. And I'm going to, so you can see that it's done. I have successfully reset my PoF password. You can easily do it that way as well. It's very simple. You just have to click on the forget your password link, and then go check your inbox on whatever email account that it was linked to your PoF account. It might necessarily not have to be Gmail at all. It can be Hotmail or Lives or any other email that you're using to get your PoF notification that you use to sign up for PoF. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our videos.